Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today I discovered that Google has updated the attribute custom labels. You can now use them for demand gen campaigns in Google Ads. Before you could only use them for Performance Max or standard shopping, but there is also another campaign that uses shopping ads, and that is AI Max. Currently, that is not labeled for custom labels just yet because it's still in beta and not everybody can use AI Max for shopping ads. However, I presume once AI Max launches that you can also use that for custom labels. However, as of writing now, you can use it for demand gen campaigns. So that is pretty cool. So if you want to target specific products to reach a broader audience, demand gen is for you to use that using custom labels. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.